I set out to transform a Facebook Marketplace golf cart into the ultimate utility machine. I rebuilt the suspension and added a front axle mounted winch to hoist my dad's jet ski lift out of the lake. Then I had to test the 23-inch all-terrain tires in the snow. The tires held up beautifully, but the old batteries blew under the stress of several snow donuts. So I had to bulletproof the cart's power supply with a brand new lithium battery, and now there's just one big problem. It's still a golf cart. So today we're fixing that by installing a rear seat kit so this thing can haul people, gear, and be even more useful around the lake. This might work. NASCAR pit stop. Go in your hole. Job number one complete.
What's that?
I had two of the tires flipped. So the treads were facing the wrong way.
Oh, they're directional?
Yeah.
Man.
Yeah. Yeah. After upgrading to lithium power, this cart's finally reliable, but now it's time to make it practical. Because what's the point of all this capability if you can't bring anyone or anything with you? In this video, we're going to be installing a GTW Mach 3 rear seat kit. It comes with a full steel frame, flip down cargo bed, seat cushions, and all the hardware. And by the end of the video, this thing is going to go from a two-seater to a full-blown utility rig. I'll link it in the description below in case you want to check one out for yourself and support the channel. As you can. Yeah, push up. Not too far. Okay. So hold her. Hold her right there.
Two hours later.
You got a minute?
Yeah. Now wait a minute.
Go look at the directions.
What goes on?
Oh, I got that flipped.
Yeah. So I was thinking,
What do you mean? Oh, you already knew how to do this?
well, just common sense tells me that that's not right.
9/16.
I got a nice toolkit for my truck now.
For your truck? Really?
Hitting. It's too long.
Is that right?
Gonna need some washers. Get it out.
Said to use the hardware that you retained. But yeah, I don't know how that's gonna work because oh. There I got bolts, never mind.
Oh, okay.
If installing on a 2014 or newer. Okay. Like that. Like that. The directions that come with this particular seat kit are pretty adequate, so I'm not going to bore you with step-by-step commentary. Instead, I'm going to offer you some tips. Number 1, wait till the very end to fully tighten all the bolts. Once you get to the part where you attach the handrails to the bottom plate, you're going to wish you had some wiggle room. Tip number 2, there's several parts you're going to want a pair of helping hands, so don't try to be a hero and do this yourself. Which leads me to tip number 3. If your dad's the one helping you, just remember, he's newly retired, so now he's got all day to search for the right tool.
What?
Think. Hope. Oh, Lord. I thought we were doing this one at a time. How close is it? Okay.
Dinner time.
Dinner time? Okay.
it going?
At this point, we've upgraded the suspension, swapped to lithium, and now we've added rear seating and cargo capability. And honestly, this thing is turning into a legit off-road utility cart. But you're not gonna wanna miss the next mods that are gonna make this thing a one-of-a-kind workhorse.